Hi, I'm Helen from Heritage Garden Seeds, and today I'm going to show you how to sow your sweet pepper seeds. So you can sow your sweet peppers anywhere from late December to around about April time. And all we need to do is fill a small seed tray with some compost. This is just a quarter seed tray. And then we're just going to sow a couple of pepper seeds around about 1 centimetre or 2 apart, just to give them space to grow. And then you can cover those with a light layer of compost, or you can use some horticultural grit. And then we're going to lightly water those with a fine spray. So I'm just going to pop a clear propagator lid on the top of that seed tray. If you don't have a propagator lid, then use a clear plastic bag or something like that. And that just helps to keep the moisture in and create that kind of greenhouse environment for your seedlings to germinate. I'm going to pop my tray inside. It is far too cold to germinate your chilies outside if you are sowing earlier in the year. So it is middle of January here. So I'm going to pop mine inside on a heated propagator, but you could also pop your tray near a nice warm radiator or even in an airing cupboard until those seedlings germinate. So I'm going to pop mine inside on a heated propagator, but if you don't have a heated propagator, then you can pop your tray near a nice warm radiator or a nice warm airing cupboard until your seeds germinate. Obviously, do be aware that the bottom of the seed tray will release some moisture, so do make sure that you protect any furniture or paintwork with like a plate or something similar. So your seeds should germinate in around 21 days, and at that point we're just going to remove the lid from the seed tray and then make sure that we place that tray somewhere bright and sunny. Do keep them inside still. It is far too cold to pop your chilies outside, especially if, like me, you were sowing in January. If you were sowing in April, then you might be able to just pop them into an unheated greenhouse. But if you are sowing early in the year when it's freezing cold outside, it is far too cold unless your greenhouse is heated, far too cold to pop them in there. So we're going to keep our tray in a nice bright position and let them grow on a little bit to develop their root system. And then once they've developed some true leaves, we can carefully prick those out and transplant them into their own individual small pots. We're still going to keep those inside, and we're just going to keep them well watered as they grow. And then as they outgrow their pots, we're just going to keep potting them on into slightly larger pots as they outgrow each one. So we are going to wait until the risk of frost has passed before we even consider planting these outside into the ground. We want the overnight temperatures to be consistently above 10 degrees for our plants to thrive, or you can plant them into the ground around about 45 centimetres apart. Once your plants reach around about 30 centimetres tall, you can just pinch out the growing tips, and what that will do is encourage the plant to branch, so you'll get much bushier growth, and it should result in more peppers to harvest during the year. So I hope you've enjoyed this sowing video for our sweet peppers, but if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me. The best place is always on Instagram. We are at Heritage Garden Seeds, but you can also get me on email. The email address is hello@heritagegardenseeds.com.